Here are the steps for a partner in education to register in our system. The first is you would go to the Search for Opportunities page right here, and you would search for Partner in Education Opportunities. You can search by school by typing the name in here. You can also search by location or by zip code. Today we're going to search by school to show you what it's like. It is predictive text, so you just put in the first couple of letters of the school that you're looking for, and you would click search, and then a list of the opportunities at that school will show you. If you would like more information about any of these, you can click the title or the View Details page here. When you click View Details, get a little bit more information about the opportunity, the location, and the contact person. We're going to go ahead and click Sign Up and show you the registration process. Now, this is for new users, so you're going to create a new account. If you are an existing user and you have a user ID and password, you can log in here at this point. So the first thing is that you need to agree to the various guidelines and policies that we have here. Each of these are viewable by clicking on them to show a PDF, so you can read through and see what you're agreeing to. The only one that seems to give people questions is this Guidelines for a Cooperative Agreement, which when you click on it, it goes through what needs to be done in a legal perspective if you are going to be building something on the campus of the school with which you're partnered with. And there are insurance issues and that sort of thing that need to be followed. That is not something, you don't have to have all of that insurance in order to be a partner, but it's only if you're going to do something that markedly changes the property of OCPS. So these are just guidelines so that you know if you are going to do something like that, that will be an agreement that you will have to have drawn up with your school and our lawyers. So we're going to put in our user ID. This is something that you chose for yourself. It's best if it is your email address so that it's easy to remember. You choose your own password, and we're going to put that in here. You put your title in, and I'm of course putting in information that's not specific. The address comes in capital letters automatically, and that is because that is the U.S. Post Office format. Put your address in here. Okay. This is where you include the information about the size of your partner, what type of business you are in, and then when you're interested in different activities at the school, these don't lock you into the activities, but you can tell the schools the kinds of things that you might be interested in doing with our schools. So under each of these, a new box opens up when you click them that you can see. I'm interested in donating these kinds of things here. And then you're interested in sponsorships. And we're putting this here. And again, this would just be the kinds of things that you are interested in, so you choose whatever you would like in these boxes. And then down below you always navigate with the next and the previous buttons. From here, this is not a requirement, but you can upload your logo if you would like to here. What you would do is you would go to wherever your logos are, and I'm going to put the Partner in Education logo in here. Click Open. Then you need to click Upload. Once it's attached here, then you can move forward and click Next. And this is the end. Please note that this is your final step. You do have to click the Submit button before it goes through. And please note that when you do that, the contact person for the opportunity that you're signing up for will be notified. When you click on your dashboard, once you click submit, then you'll be taken to your profile's homepage. So we'll go ahead and do that. Takes a moment, so please just wait and make sure that it goes through. And now, my request to join this opportunity has been sent. I can change that request, or I can look below. Now please note, this doesn't mean that you're confirmed for this opportunity. The coordinator at the school or department will review your request and place you or confirm you. From here you can go to your dashboard, and this is the name that I put in. This is my photo that I put here. And this goes through all of the different kinds of things that I might need to do. If I find that I put some information in incorrectly and I'd like to fix it, I can do that by clicking Edit Profile, and it'll bring me back to the registration page. If I'd like to search for more opportunities at different schools or at that same school, I can do that right here. I can view the placements, the places, the opportunities that I'm confirmed for. Once I have a number of opportunities, I can look and view them on a calendar. This is where I'd report the value of the services that I am doing as a partner for my schools, and I will get an email address after the opportunities that I register for are over, which will direct me to this link. I can view the total number of hours that this business has given to the schools, and then I can look at all of the different things that I have requested to be a part of. And you'll see the one that I've requested so far is to become a partner in education with Timber Lakes Elementary. Thank you very much for your time and for your partnership.